In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Joplin notes across all devices. If you've just started using Joplin, one important thing to know is that it doesn't sync automatically out of the box. You need to choose a sync target first. Think of a sync target as the place where your notes are stored so every device can read and write to the same library. You have several options for where to sync: Joplin Cloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, WebDAV, or a self-hosted Joplin server. If you want the easiest setup with minimal configuration, Joplin Cloud is the most straightforward choice. If you're looking for a free option and already use cloud storage, Dropbox or OneDrive works well. And if you want complete control over your data and infrastructure, you can run your own Joplin server. Joplin can sync across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iPhone or iPad. The key to success is to pick one sync target and use the same one on every device you plan to use. Let's walk through syncing with Dropbox. Open Joplin and go to the synchronization settings. Select Dropbox as your sync target, then click Authenticate. A browser window will open so you can sign into your Dropbox account and allow Joplin to access a folder for your notes. Once you confirm, return to Joplin and start a sync. You'll repeat this exact setup on each device you want to connect. After that, Joplin will pull down the shared notebook data from Dropbox and upload any local changes. There are a few important tips to keep your data safe and consistent. Always sync before closing the app, especially if you've made changes on that device. This ensures the latest version of your notes is available everywhere. Make sure every device uses the same sync target. Mixing targets will split your data and cause confusion. The first sync can take time if you have a lot of notes, attachments, or notebooks, so let it finish completely before making big edits elsewhere. And do not change sync targets without creating a backup of your notes first. Switching targets midstream can lead to duplicates or missing items if you don't have a safety copy. That's it. Choose the right sync target for your needs, set it up once, repeat on your other devices, and let Joplin keep everything in step. When used this way, your notes will be dependable and available wherever you work.